Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're out here doing a little creek wading, as you can tell. Just doing a little ultralight fishing, trying to just catch whatever will bite. I picked up this Arms Family Homestead Slayer kit from Trout Magnet. I saw John Dalton use it for creek fishing adventures. Figured I'd give it a shot here, just doing a nice little ultralight fishing. And, you know, it comes with a nice little kit. As you can tell, got some 1/32 ounce jig heads, a little heavier than the normal Trout Magnet, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 different color crawls. So we're just gonna be out here in the creek and just catch whatever's willing to bite. I also got a new setup today, you know, rod and reel setup. I got the Casking Kestrel spin finesse setup. It's a 6'2" ultralight fast 1000 series rod with 6-pound braid, 4-pound mono. We'll try to catch something on every color here from the kit. I'll leave a link and everything that I used in the description below. But thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and share. There you go, got this one, guys. First one on a nice little smallie. And a nice little ultralight there. That little nice smallmouth. Here, buddy. Come on, buddy. Small little guy there. Let's get a release of him there, guys. Thanks for bite, bud. Caught that on the old Trout Magnet. 1/32 ounce jig head. I think it's called the Trout Slayer. Hit that as soon as it hit the water. There we go, got us one. Nice little fish. What we got? What we got here? What is this? I got this little fall fish. There we go. Oh, came off. Oh well. Fish number 2 on the old Trout Slayer. There we go, guys. A nice one here. What we get? We got another fall fish, or just a smallie. There we go. Nice little smallie on the ultralight here. Nice. There we go. Yeah, I want to fall on it. Not sure if you can see that or not. Nice little smallie on the ultralight. On that old Trout Magnet. Picture of that. There's fish number 3, guys, on this old Trout Slayer. Thanks for biting, bud. It's a nice little creek smallie. Let's get back in the water there. There it goes. There goes another one. There we go. This is a fall fish. Come down, come down. Okay. Little fall fish there, guys. All right, let's get back in the water. Get your bite, bud. Fish number 4 on the old trout slayer. All right, guys, like I said in my video, here's my new, I'll see it better when I was showed it in my intro, but this is the Cast King Kestrel, 6'2" ultralight, fast, 1000 size reel. This is their spin finesse system, 6-pound braid, the 4-pound mono. It's a nice, awesome setup here, well balanced. I actually have a discount code for Cast King that I'll leave in the description. But as I said, I'm going to try to catch a fish on every color out of this kit. This is the first color that we used. We caught a couple of that. Just going to change it out here. See what else we can catch. This is a great, just all around catch anything kit. We got all these colors. I'm gonna try like this purple looking color out. See how that does. And I'm just letting these baits just drift in the current, letting the current do all the work. Giving a couple twitches here and there. Let's see what this old nice purple color can do. There you go, got one. Tiny little guy. There you go. Going on the pink one now. There he goes. Sweet. Really want to bite that. Oh. Get off. There you go, guys. That's a good one. Nice little smallie here, guys. Let's fight with this ultralight here. There we go, guys. Nice little smallie there. Nice one, guys. Look at that. Got some crawl pinchers in his mouth. Eating on some crawls. Back in the water. Try a different color here, guys. Try this little orange color here. this works. There we go. That's a little guy. There'll be one in there. Nice little smaller there. We got one on the orange color now. Tiny guy. What do we got here? Look at here. Got a little largemouth. Look at there. Nice little largie. Oh man, got away. It's my first largemouth ever in a creek. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. It was a nice little creek fishing adventure. We're out here for just a couple hours. We landed about 8 or 9. I'm glad I got to try out this little Arms Family Homestead Trout Magnet kit. So if you haven't already, go purchase one, try it out for yourself. It's a great all-around multi-species lure. But appreciate you watching and stay tuned for the next one. See ya.